Roadmap to become a low-code developer. Ever wondered how apps are built without heavy coding? That's where a low-code developer comes in. A low-code developer builds applications using visual tools, drag-and-drop components, and minimal coding. Instead of writing everything from scratch, they focus on solving business problems faster. These skills are widely used in enterprises, startups, and businesses that want to build apps quickly, like internal tools, dashboards, or workflow systems. So, how do you get started? First, understand the basics of how applications work. You don't need deep coding knowledge, but you should know how front-end, back-end, and databases connect. Next, learn popular low-code platforms like Microsoft Power Apps, OutSystems, or Mendix. These tools allow you to visually build applications with pre-built components. Once you're comfortable, focus on UI and UX design. Even with low code, your app should be clean, simple, and easy to use. Then, move to data handling. Learn how to connect databases, manage data, and integrate APIs. Because every app depends on data. After that, explore automation. Build workflows that trigger actions automatically, like approvals, notifications, or updates. To go further, learn a bit of JavaScript or scripting. This helps you customize apps when built-in features aren't enough. Don't forget security. Understand user roles, permissions, and how to protect sensitive data. Now comes the most important part, practice. Build real projects like a task manager, employee system, or simple CRM. As you grow, you'll learn how to deploy apps, maintain them, and improve performance. But like any career, there are challenges. Sometimes platforms have limitations and performance can be tricky. You'll need to balance speed with flexibility. To succeed, think like a low-code developer. Focus on efficiency, automation, and solving real-world problems quickly. Because in today's fast-moving world, businesses don't just need software. They need it fast. Start your journey today and become a low-code developer building powerful apps faster than ever.